Hey YouTube family, Mike Jones here, back with another video on my channel where we talk about all things investing in personal finance with the genuine hope that I will be able to inspire someone to go ahead and get started with their financial freedom journey today. With that said, today we're going to go ahead and be getting into the dividend that I have received over the last 2 months from my Webull portfolio. And so we'll be getting right into that right now. If you would just take a short moment to go ahead and smash that like button, hit the subscribe, and hit that noti bell to make sure you're always notified of any content that I post on this channel, that would be greatly appreciated. With that said, let's get right into it. As you can see down here, we have John Deere. We received a dividend from them for an amount of 90 cents, and this was on August 9th. We also received a dividend from Antero Midstream, which is a energy company, and they went ahead and paid us 90 cents as well on August 11th for the 4 shares that we currently hold. We also have a payment from Apple of $2.20 on August 12th. We also received a little bit of interest for holding a little bit of money in our buying power. And so whenever you do that in Webull or Robinhood or any kind of brokerage that you have, they'll give you a little bit of a interest payment for holding the money in there. So we got 9 cents on August 12th. We also received a dividend payment from Clorox. I believe we have 3 shares, and so they paid us $3.48 for that. Main Street Capital went ahead and paid us 62 cents for the shares that we hold. We also received a dividend from Tanger Factory on August 13th for 18 cents. We have AbbVie here paying us $1.30 for the 1 share that we hold. And they paid us that on August 16th. On August 16th as well, One Oak or OKE went ahead and paid us $9.35. We also received a dividend on August 24th for Fastenal, paying us 28 cents. As far as Bank of Montreal is concerned, they went ahead and paid us 84 cents on August 26th. And then because that is a Canadian stock, we actually were deducted 13 cents for the whole foreign exchange deal that goes on there. On August 27th, Eaton Corporation went ahead and paid us 76 cents, while Starbucks went ahead and paid us 45 cents. And then Shaw Communications paid us 39 cents. And of course, it is a Canadian company, so there was a deduction for that. On August 31st, we received a dividend payment from Helmrich. And on September 1st, Aflac went ahead and paid us 66 cents. On September 1st as well, W.W. Granger went ahead and paid us $1.62. Amgen went ahead and paid us on September the 8th $1.76. We received a payment from Chevron, and they paid us $1.34 on September 10th. September 10th was a great day because we also received a payment from IBM for $3.28. WBA, which is Walgreens Boots Alliance, also paid us on September 10th for $4.78. On September 13th, we were deducted $75 for the Webull transfer that we had outgoing for the incoming transfer for our Fidelity portfolio. So if you don't know, on September 13th, everything finalized, and 90% of the portfolio that I previously had in this Webull brokerage, I transferred over to my Fidelity portfolio to get that drip option in my Fidelity portfolio. Next up, we do have some interest as well, 4 cents of interest for holding a little bit of money in our buying power. And then Hershey's went ahead and paid us on September 15th 90 cents. Main Street Capital also paid us on September 15th another 62 cents, while Whirlpool got in on the action and paid us $1.40. Duke Energy went ahead and paid us 99 cents on September 16th. And then on September 17th, we decided to go ahead and sell Halliburton, Meredith, Tanger Factory, Helmrich, and then we decided to use the profits to go ahead and buy a share of Apple. On September 21st, we received a payment for 66 cents from Assurant, and then Halliburton on September 22nd paid us 9 cents regardless of the fact that we just sold it. BP went ahead and paid us on September 24th, and they paid us $1.64. And then because BP is an ADR, there was a 2-cent fee for holding the company. We are expected to receive payments from Goldman Sachs for $2 on today, actually. And then Simon Property Group is going to pay us $7.50 tomorrow for the 5 shares that we held in this portfolio. And then we'll kind of get into the dividends that are coming for October in another video. But with that said, thank you so much for watching this video. If you would just take a short moment to go ahead and smash that like button, hit the subscribe, and hit that noti bell so you never miss out on any content I post on this channel, that would be really helpful. Thank you so much for your help, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless.